Hi everyone, I've not uploaded the video lately. Been working about 50 to 60 hours a week and been preparing for winter with the firewood and the garden and doing some work with the tractor here. So I've been really busy. I didn't have time to make any videos, but today I decided to make one. I got a new little tools here on the tractor that I want to show you, and here it is. It's quick hitch, and I got it at tractor dealer near. It's made in China. And it did cost about $250 for it, and it's a category 1, but the pins here are 1 inch and 3/8. So I have a sleeve here on it, and I did get myself an extension for my PTO here. And this part is $26.95, but as you can see, there are holes. You need to put a pin, and on my PTO shaft I didn't have any holes on it, so I asked the dealer, do you have some that quick clip, that kind of clips on it, quick attach? So they said yes. They're about $56, I think. So, and the quick hitch here, it came with those sleeves, and they're pretty expensive, but I did put them on my blade here and on my tiller here. I have the small pin category 1, and then I have the category 2, and that pin here is about 1 inch and 1/8. And I got some sleeve to put on my snowblower, because the snowblower is category 1, and I did get some sleeves that are 7/8 to 1 inch and 1/8. So 1 inch and 1/8 is a little bit, it's 2/8, about 1/4 inch less than this one, but I think I found more sleeve like this that will fit on this and go up to 1 inch and 3/8. So yeah, it's going to be easier to install the blade. The blade is the part that was lighter, but with the fixed pin on it and the subframe with the backhoe there, it's hard to install the blade. You need to put one side, put the pin, and then install the other one and move it around. And with the quick hitch here, there's this hook here, and I'll need to remove the pin and install the pin the way it's built, but it's not a big deal. It's going to be easier anyway to install, and I will have no problem with my tiller there and the snowblower, the way they're made. The hook will just hook underneath, and it's going to be easy here. There's no restriction underneath, so it will clip just right underneath there. Same thing with the tiller, so it's going to be more easy to install. So that's it for now, and I'm planning to build a bracket to install a hitch for a trailer hitch, and another thing, I will make that hitch there to be able to install my big weights that I bought, so I will have some weight in the back. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to click the little bell to be notified when I upload another video, and until next time, work safe.